So I want to show you two reports related to approval, BPM workflow, which are very useful to analyze the approval rules. So one of the report is if you want to see how many approval groups you have and who are the members of this approval group. So there is a report called approval rule report, sorry, approval group report. So this is the report, just approval groups report. Okay. So in this report, you will able to see whatever approval groups you have created and who are the members for this approval group. Okay. And there is another report, approval workflow report. Approval workflow report. Okay. Not initiate approval workflow. Maybe it's little bit different. Workflow rule report. Okay. So this report, if you run, provides detailed information about the workflow rules. So whatever approval rules you have created, it's made for journal approval, invoice approval, intercompany approval. So just you have to select. Okay. You can see here. So what are available approval rules, BPM approval rules you have created? You just have to select this, like invoice account coding or like intercompany transaction approval, invoice approval, journal approval, payment approvals. Okay. So for example, let me select here journal approval and submit this. So you will able to see here in this report what are the rules created for journal approvals, what are the conditions assigned to these rules, what are the actions and the kind of approvals, like it's a serial based approval or it's a group based approvals. So every information you will able to see, which will be helpful to analyze your existing approval rules. Okay. So this is completed. If I open this, so this is approval group report. Okay. See, you can able to see here payment, AP payment approval groups, and under these groups, you can see who are the users and who are the approver user ID, approver name. So you'll able to see here, analyze if you want to make any changes, you can do this using this report. The second one is approval rule report, and download the Excel file here. See, so you can see here, like what are the components, how many components, like so tax. There are 3 tax and 18 rules. Components journal approvals, and you'll able to see whatever incorrect or approvals or correct approvals and recommendations. Like if something is missing in any approval rules, you'll able to see this. So this is the existing configuration it will able to extract. Okay, you can use these rules and uh, modify your approval rules. Everything you'll able to, like stage in enabled, participant name, what is the rule set name, and then under the rule set, what are the rules created, and whether this rule is active or not, and what are the conditions and list builders. Everything you'll able to see here. So you can use this report in real time uh, to assist you review your existing approval rules. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching this video.